Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and I just got a box from I Heart Fruit Box. I'm gonna put all the details in the comments there, or in the bottom, whatever that's called. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, they sent me some really cool stuff. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna show you guys what they sent me, okay? Because there's a lot of different stuff in here. Some of the stuff I don't know what the names are. So if you know the names of some of these fruit, if you could put that in the comments for me so I know what the names are. First, of course, we've got our dragon fruit. I grow these, I know what these are. We've got cacao or cocoa. This is a pod here. You actually eat the fruit inside, and I can use the seeds. I'll make some chocolate with the seeds as well. We've got some common things like I have passion fruit. This is like a purple passion fruit, but it could be different. We've got a type of guava here. Not sure what kind of guava this is. We've got a star fruit. I grow those. We've got avocado. I don't know what variety of avocado this is, but it looks pretty cool. And they gave me a little piece of sugar cane. I got a lot of sugar cane, but this is pretty cool stuff. I wonder if I can even grow from this. I'll bet you I can root this and grow sugar cane from this. Then I'm gonna get into some things I don't know. They give me some limes. They look like key limes probably. Rambutans. I can't grow those here this far north, so it's pretty cool to get some rambutans. A lot of longans. I grow this, but last year the squirrels ate all of them. These are kind of like a lychee, but they're just a little different than lychee. But they're in the same family as lychee. The rambutans are all in the same family. They're very similar. There's a couple of probably very exotic bananas. They're in here as well. These are two of the things I don't know what these are. If you guys know what these are, put it in the comments for me, okay? Let's see what else we got. And this as well, I'm not sure. I don't think this is the same thing as this, but I don't know what either of them are. I think I might have had this before, but I'm not 100% sure. And we also have this, which I'm thinking is a green sapote. I've never had a green sapote, so I'm not 100% sure. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, I'll leave the details. It's I Heart Fruit Box. I really appreciate this. I'm definitely gonna be trying to get more fruit from you guys going forward. All right, see you guys, bye.